Hey YouTube, this is just trying to do a quick walkthrough. This is a playhouse that I built, working on, I guess, for about the last 6-7 months. But it's my design, my build. It's not a box kit or anything. Yeah, just do a quick little walkthrough. We're actually having a playhouse warming for it today, dedication. That's why all the balloons. But just do a real quick run through. The mailbox I made already has some mail from their grandma in it. It's two level, obviously. That's just all cut redwood. It's all redwood painted. Moving inside, there's the stairs up to the second level. Right. There's a little workstation or coloring station, whatever. Maybe my mom will eat some snacks there sometimes. And those stools, actually made those out of some leftover material that I had. Alright, moving up to the second level. Little safety gate. And all of this black railing here, and like what's out on the deck too, that was used because I used to have a kennel in this area, so I tore that down and just reused those pieces to make the railings, both in here and out on the deck there. Little sliding glass door there. This window I made it so it actually slides up there. Had planned to hook up a magnet for it to catch at the top so it could stay open, but didn't quite get the distance right, so I got to figure something out there. Real quick, obviously slide. Back window. Move out to the deck real quick. Another little safety railing here. When someone's climbing up, they'll be able to just easily push that out the way. But obviously if someone's going into it, should be able to keep them from falling off here. Moving down the walkway bridge here. And this chalkboard, it's just a couple pieces of cement board, just that I fused together, and just painted it with some black latex paint. Obviously, a little bench there. Take a rest.